Back in 1999, the new Google company that was set up to deliver web search had a turnover of $220,000. By 2006, the company's turnover was $11 billion, with an annual profit after tax of $3 billion. And by 2013, this had risen to $50 billion. Not bad for an internet startup. But how did the company manage this? What can other strategists learn from Google? Perhaps the first lesson is that Google was not an instant success. It took several years for the company to develop its user base, and during this time it was thinking hard about how it could manage to make a profit. The answer to this important business question is the second lesson. Recruit the best people with business experience and skills to sit alongside the skills of the founders. And also generate the right company culture, relaxed and innovative, and details are in the case. But the issue remained how to monetize, that is commercialize, Google's free search service. The answer was advertising in the case of Google, and Google launched two services, one called Google AdWords and the other Google AdSense. And many will be familiar with Google's advertising as they use Google to search the web, and that's the third lesson. With any company, especially startups, the issue then arises as how you grow the company. It took several years, some internal growth and some acquisitions to achieve this. For example, its internal development included the Google Map service that has revolutionised and extended its search service. Equally, it looked outside the company by acquiring YouTube in 2006 for $1.65 billion. The lesson here is to look far and wide for growth. One final lesson from Google. Not every business venture is successful. For example, Google Buzz has not really replaced its rivals, and Google Glass was withdrawn in early 2015 for a complete redesign. In spite of this, the two founders, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, were amongst the richest people in the world by 2007. Not bad for when you start with nothing 8 years earlier.